Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to generate passive income online, and choosing the right networks can make all the difference. As we step into 2025, these 7 affiliate networks stand out for their earning potential, user-friendly platforms, and diverse offerings. 1. Amazon Associates lets you promote millions of products with high conversion rates and a wide variety of offerings. Tip: focus on promoting trending or niche-specific products for better commissions. 2. ShareASale offers diverse categories and is suitable for any niche with reliable payments. Tip: look for high-commission merchants within your niche for maximum profitability. 3. CJ Affiliate connects marketers with top-tier brands, offering advanced reporting tools. Tip: build relationships with advertisers for better commission deals and opportunities. 4. ClickBank is known for its digital products and high commission rates of up to 75%. Tip: focus on products with high gravity scores indicating popularity and conversion success. 5. Rakuten Advertising partners with premium brands and offers robust tracking tools. Tip: promote brands with strong consumer demand for better results. 6. Impact.com is great for affiliates looking to scale their efforts with customizable contracts and analytics. Tip: use tools to negotiate higher commissions and track ROI effectively. 7. PartnerStack specializes in SaaS products, offering recurring revenue for subscription-based services. Tip: focus on long-term partnerships with SaaS companies for generous commission structures. Joining the right affiliate networks can supercharge your earnings. Choose a network that aligns with your niche.